Skaffolder is the new SaaS platform that allows developers to create fully working prototypes in just a few simple steps. First, you need to choose your favorite programming languages and connect to your GitHub repository. Now you can start constructing your web app, defining your models, APIs, and pages. Once your web app is ready, you can generate the code directly on your repository. This code is now available for the developer to copy on his local host and start customizing it. It's easy to install and easy to start. In a few seconds, we are ready to use our fully customizable working prototype. The project has a security management system already installed, and it's ready to be used as set previously, all without having to write a line of code.